Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Plankton on Dress to Impress. So you're going to color yourself yellow, maybe not this bright, maybe like this yellow. I'll also do the nails because I don't know. And then for the let's do the non-VIP version first. For the non-VIP version, you're going to put this on. We're going to color it this color because you can't use the color wheel anymore, unfortunately. So you can either use that color or this green color. I think I'll just use this green color actually. And then you are going to need this one, and you're going to color that the same. And then for the shoes, you can use any shoes that you'd like. I'll just use this one in that green. And I'll use like leggings as well to cover that. Whoops, like that. And then you will just need to use the camera for it in all red for the eyes. And that is the non-VIP version of Plankton. Super simple to recreate. For the VIP version, we're just going to take off this and that. And then we are going to need, whoops, the like horns in that color. I'm just going to make that matte. And then you'll also need the, where do they put stuff now in VIP? I don't remember where they put stuff. Well, I'll just do the flower crown first. No spikes in that same color. And then I'm still, oh, here it is. Get that one, and you're just going to want to color some parts of it red. Okay, so the first two, you're going to color it yellow, and then the last parts, you're going to color it red, like that. Okay, maybe that one at yellow too. Like that. Maybe have it the same as your skin tone. And that is it for the VIP version. There's only a difference in the like eye and the like horns. The rest is not that different. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!